Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk to you about something that's honestly been a huge time saver and game changer for me recently, especially when it comes to creating content without constantly being on camera. It's called ViralReel AI, and if you're a content creator, marketer, or even someone just dipping your toes into growing an Instagram or TikTok account, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. Let me start by saying this. I've tried a lot of tools. Some are great, some are overhyped, and most are just too complicated for what they actually offer. But when I started using ViralReel AI, I immediately realized this one's a little different. It's designed for people who want to create content fast, consistently, and without having to deal with complex editing software or show their face on camera. And let's be honest, not everyone wants to be in front of the lens. Sometimes it's about building a brand, running multiple niche pages, or just saving time while putting out quality content. What stood out to me right away was how easy it is to use. You don't need to know anything about video editing, voiceovers, or animation. You simply choose the kind of content you want to create, whether it's a story, a quote video, a meme, or even a video using gaming footage, and the AI handles most of the heavy lifting for you. I was able to make my first video in just a few minutes, and it honestly looked better than some of the stuff I had spent hours editing before. Now, the real magic here is in the automation. ViralReel AI has this feature where you can generate multiple videos at once. So if you're someone who likes to batch content for the week ahead, this tool is going to save you so much time. You can go from script to finished video with voiceovers, animations, captions, and overlays all handled for you. And speaking of voiceovers, this part is actually really cool. The platform gives you access to human-like voices in multiple languages, so you're not stuck with robotic-sounding narration. There's also integration with 11 Labs, which adds even more advanced voice options if you want your videos to sound really natural and professional. One of my favorite features has to be the avatar videos. If you've seen those faceless accounts on Instagram or TikTok that somehow still manage to be incredibly engaging, this is probably how they're doing it. ViralReel AI allows you to use lifelike avatars that lip-sync to your script or voiceover, making it feel like someone's on screen without you ever stepping in front of a camera. It's perfect for niche pages, meme pages, or quote channels where the focus is on the message, not the messenger. Another area where this tool delivers is customization. You can add overlays, choose your brand colors, drop in logos, and even use animated text and GIFs to make your posts more dynamic. The templates inside the platform are actually well designed too. They're not generic or outdated like you find in a lot of these drag-and-drop video tools. You get modern, scroll-stopping designs that are built for engagement on social platforms. Now here's something I think a lot of creators overlook: the commercial license. With ViralReel AI, you get a free commercial license when you go premium, and that means you can actually sell the videos you create to clients. You can start your own content creation agency, or offer video services to small businesses, influencers, or brands. You're not just getting a tool here, you're getting an income opportunity if you want to turn this into a service-based side hustle. And if you're wondering about results, yes, the videos actually get engagement. The combination of high-quality visuals, clean voiceovers, and accurate captions means your content stands out in crowded feeds. It's accessible, visually polished, and most importantly, it's optimized for the kind of short-form content that's dominating social platforms right now. The price point is another big plus. It's currently available for a one-time fee, which is insane considering most tools like this charge monthly, and they don't even offer half the features. But fair warning, the price goes up regularly, and eventually it's moving to a subscription model. So if this sounds like something you might want to use, I wouldn't wait too long. Honestly, whether you're just starting out or looking for a more efficient way to scale your content, ViralReel AI makes it all so much easier. It takes the stress out of content creation and lets you focus on what really matters: connecting with your audience and growing your presence online. Thanks for watching. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link down below in the description. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you have any questions about how it works. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.